Welcome back, guys. So today's gonna be very cold, because today we're gonna jump.
You want to get a t-shirt on because it's gonna be a little bit warmer.
But I'm gonna go in the pool.
Basically, Texas had a huge snowstorm, but today it's clearing up. But our pool is still very icy.
Oh, it's cold.
Like that's an ice chunk right there.
That's cold.
But we're gonna jump in it today.
Well, I'm doing steps.
But over here, it's like cleared up so you wouldn't get stuck under the ice. So that's the safest bet. But it's still gonna be cold because obviously it's ice. But Jonathan's gonna get in over there because he's a little bit of a chicken.
I'm a chicken.
Maybe get a t-shirt on, you'll be warmer.
Nah.
Okay.
Okay.
Me first?
I don't know which one's first. Let's just do it.
Get your half of your body in there, buddy. Oh, there goes a nice chunk. He threw it under the...
My feet are cold.
Buddy, just get it over with.
But my feet.
Just do it.
I have to push the ice around.
You can swim with the ice, Jonathan. It's not gonna move. Go.
Do y'all think I could do this?
You got it, dude. They believe in you.
Okay, guys.
Jonathan!
Again!
Come on, let's go. Let's go to the deep end. Just really quickly, and then step up.
This is so cold.
And then just jump and I'll help you up. Okay.
No. Wait.
I swear this is never gonna end, huh?
Okay.
Just jump in and you can go inside.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go! Bonnie! There is a towel right there. Is it cold?
Okay, so guys, y'all just told me it's very cold.
Hey, I need you to stay away from the pool.
Hey, can we just go swimming today?
No. Is it cold?
It's like 10 times colder than the summer. Just get over.
I just want Jonathan.
Again! Okay, guys.
To make sure I can get out easy.
Hey guys, after this, you're gonna watch me be swimming.
You're not gonna get me in the pool.
Yeah, I am.
What if I have a heart attack? This can't be. Is Mom watching me? Mom,
Yeah.
if I die, I love you.
Okay. Go. Go, go.
He's going in again. I'm not. That was so cold.
Okay.
Guys, want to see my 5-pack before I go?
Okay.
Oh, it's windy.
That means jump.
So cold, but come on, Micah. Let's go, Micah. Jump where there's... Okay, go ahead. That's gonna hurt.
That would hurt, Mom.
Jump on the ice, Micah.
That hurt.
That one right there. That big pump.
That hurt. That would hurt. Are you serious? Ow! That's slush.
like a big chunk of ice, Mom.
But I